Hello friends, welcome to my channel and new video. If you want to appear your Blogger blog on search engines, like Google, you must watch and follow these tips. First, you must enable visibility of your blog to search engines. Second, you must add meta tags for your blog. In this video I will show you how to add meta tags properly for your Blogger blog, so your blog can rank on Google search engine. Stay and watch this video. Go to your Blogger dashboard, and from menu bar click on Settings. Scroll down and go to Privacy tag, and turn on Visible for search engines. Now our blogger has been added to search engines and visible in Google search. Now, go to Basic and add title for your blog, whenever you can change it. This title shows on Google search result when our blog homepage appears on Google search result. Now, scroll down and find meta tags. Click and enable search description. Once you enable search description, it will also enable search description for posts and pages. Click on search description and write your blog name and add short description less than 150 word. For example, I put this text as my blogger decryption. Once you are done, click on save. So, in this video we added title and description for our Blogger blog. Subscribe this channel for more video. Thanks for watching.